Nestled within a quiet residential neighborhood in Minato City, Japan, Stairway House reimagines the idea of a multi-generational home. Designed by the renowned Japanese studio Nendo, this 284-square-meter residence was created for two families living under one roof while maintaining a strong sense of connection. Rather than relying on conventional layouts, the architects explored how architecture itself could encourage interaction, turning everyday circulation into the defining feature of the home. The site presented a familiar challenge found in many Japanese cities. Surrounded closely by neighboring houses and apartment buildings, the available space was limited, making daylight, ventilation, and privacy equally important concerns. To respond to these conditions, the building mass was positioned toward the northern edge of the site. This strategy opened the southern side for a generous garden and a full-height glass facade, allowing natural light, fresh air, and greenery to become an integral part of the interior living spaces. One of the project's most thoughtful decisions was preserving an existing persimmon tree that had long been cherished by the family. Instead of clearing the site, the house was carefully arranged around this mature tree, allowing it to remain part of daily life. The landscape became more than decoration. It became a living memory connecting different generations while creating a peaceful outdoor environment visible from nearly every shared space. The interior organization reflects the needs of each family member. The grandparents occupy the ground floor, reducing the need to climb stairs as they age. This level also provides direct access to the garden, where the grandmother can enjoy gardening with ease. Adding another unique layer to the home's lifestyle, the family's 8 cats are free to move comfortably between indoor and outdoor spaces, making the landscape an active extension of the house itself. Meanwhile, the younger couple and their child live on the 2nd and 3rd floors. While separating the households vertically provided privacy, the architects wanted to avoid creating emotional distance between generations. Instead of treating each floor as an isolated apartment, they searched for a design solution that could subtly reconnect the family without sacrificing independence. That solution became the home's most iconic architectural element, a dramatic stairway-like structure rising diagonally from the southern garden and continuing through all 3 levels of the house. At first glance, it appears to be an oversized outdoor staircase leading upward. In reality, the sculptural form serves a much broader architectural purpose, acting as both a visual landmark and a spatial connector that links the landscape with the home's interior. Hidden within this monumental stair volume are many of the home's practical functions, including the actual staircase, bathrooms, and service spaces. Above these enclosed areas, the structure transforms into a semi-outdoor greenhouse filled with abundant plants and flooded with sunlight. This elevated garden creates a pleasant microclimate while also becoming a favorite playground for the family's cats, who can climb, rest, and observe the home from different heights. As this green stairway moves diagonally through the building, it creates subtle visual connections between floors. Family members can sense each other's presence without constantly sharing the same room, balancing privacy with togetherness. The combination of greenery, filtered daylight, and changing viewpoints softens the boundaries between inside and outside, making the house feel much larger and more open than its urban setting would normally allow. More than simply connecting different levels, Stairway House demonstrates how circulation can become the heart of an architectural concept. The stairway links the garden to the interior, the lower generation to the upper generation, and ultimately the home to its surrounding neighborhood through carefully framed views toward the street and the sky. Rather than treating stairs as a purely functional element, Nendo transformed them into a shared landscape that shapes everyday life, proving that thoughtful architecture can strengthen both family relationships and the experience of living within a dense urban environment.